Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can add any video into your PowerPoint presentation. So, first let's open our PowerPoint. Now, you can choose any template or any blank presentation, or you can just simply open the presentation in which you want to add the particular video. Now, you need to go to the particular slide in which you want to add the video. For now, I will add the video to this particular slide. So, in order to insert any objects like images or slides, you need to go to the Insert tab from the ribbon. Once you click on the Insert tab, you can see the video option right here. Simply click on the video option and it will ask you for the source of the file. If the video is stored in your device, simply click on this device. Or if you want to access any stock videos, then you can click on the stock videos button. It will load it from the Microsoft gallery. Then there is also an option for online videos if the video you're trying to insert is available online. So for now, I will insert the videos from this particular device which is stored here locally. So click on this option and just navigate to the folder where you have the video. For example, I have this particular video right here. Simply click on the video, or you may also select multiple videos. Then simply click on the insert button. Once you do, give it some time to process, and here you can see that the video has been inserted. You can resize it, or you may also perform different operations on it like animating it, or you can also change its shape, add borders, or add other effects, etc. To play this, you can simply click on this button to preview that if it is playing or not. So now you have learned how to add a video into your PowerPoint presentation. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.